Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to pivot in Power Query. So first let us study our data. You can see that I have a sheet in which I have the office names listed over here. Okay, like we have two offices, Riverside and City Center. We have the employee names listed over here. And we have the categories listed over here and the number of hours contributed over here. Now, here we want to do two things. First, we want to fill all these gaps. So, the entire riverside should be copied up to here, city center should be copied down, and these headings should be copied up. And then I want to make a pivot in which I want to see the employee names row wise and I want to see the categories as column wise. Let me show you how you can pivot in Power Query. First, click anywhere inside the data, then right click and select Get Data from Table or Range. Next, click on the heading Office. Right click over here, right click on the heading and select Fill and select Down. Same way, click on Category, right click over here, select Fill and select Up. Now these null values, I do not want it to be displayed, so I'll click on this drop down and I'll uncheck null, so it is gone. Now I want to pivot. So what do you want as column headings? So I want the category as column headings. So first click on category. After that, click on transform and in transform select pivot column. Now here it is asking me what do you want in values. So I'll click over here and select hours. Then I would click on OK and I'm done. So I can see all the employee names listed over here, the headings over here, and the hours contributed by each one over here. Finally, I can click on Home and select Close and Load. This will send me back to the Excel with the pivoted data over here. So here you can see all the office names, the employee names, and their hours contributed in the various categories. So hope you have learned something new. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.